Bosch Oven HBL5450UC thinks the probe is in when it's not in. How do I fix this myself? If I need a repair person, how do I find one?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. You will want to turn the circuit breaker off. Use white vinegar and a Q-tip to try and clean out the meat probe receptacle. Use a hairdryer to try and dry the receptacle out, then wait about 15 minutes. Turn the circuit breaker on and see if you still get the same error. If so, the meat probe receptacle would need to be replaced, which is somewhat difficult to do. Usually this happens when running a self-clean cycle or cleaning/spraying something inside the oven and getting the receptacle wet. Either way, you can enter your zip code into the link below to see who is authorized in your area should you need to replace the receptacle. Click here for Servicer Locator.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.